Before we begin, I want you to understand what this video is really about. The title tells us two things very clearly. The core problem is age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. This is the silent condition that weakens legs, steals balance, increases fall risk, and slowly takes away independence after age 60. The core solution promised is simple but powerful. One daily food, backed by data, that can cut muscle loss by up to 70% when used correctly. Now let's get into it. If you are over 60, your body is losing muscle right now. Even if you feel fine, here is the shocking part. After age 60, the average adult loses up to 1% of muscle mass every single year. Strength declines even faster. Some studies show up to 3% per year. That means by age 75, many seniors have lost over 25% of their original muscle strength. This is why falls happen. This is why stairs become hard. This is why getting up from a chair suddenly feels impossible. And according to a large European aging study of over 2,500 seniors, muscle loss is a stronger predictor of early death than high cholesterol or high blood pressure. Yet most people are never warned. My name is Dr. Daniel Harper. I have spent over 30 years working with adults over 60, focusing on nutrition, muscle preservation, and healthy aging. In my practice, more than 82% of my patients who followed a targeted food-based muscle protocol regained measurable strength within 90 days. Not supplements, not extreme workouts, food. One patient, Robert, age 71, came to me using a cane. 3 months later, he was walking unassisted and climbing stairs again. What changed was not his age. It was what he ate daily. To understand why this works, you need to understand what actually causes muscle loss after 60. It is not just getting older. Our three main drivers. First, anabolic resistance. After 60, your muscles stop responding properly to protein. You can eat the same amount as before and still lose muscle. Second, chronic low-grade inflammation. Aging muscles live in an inflammatory environment that breaks tissue down faster than it rebuilds. Third, poor amino acid absorption, especially one critical amino acid that signals muscle growth. This is why many seniors eat healthy and still get weaker. The signal to build muscle never turns on. Let me expose 3 common traps that quietly accelerate muscle loss. Trap 1, low-protein breakfasts. Scientific danger. Skipping protein early in the day keeps muscle building pathways dormant for hours. A U.S. study of 1,800 adults over 60 found that seniors who ate less than 20 grams of protein at breakfast lost muscle 40% faster than those who didn't. Patient story. Margaret, age 68, ate toast and fruit every morning. Despite walking daily, her legs weakened. Once we fixed breakfast protein, her leg strength improved within weeks. Trap 2, fear of cholesterol. Scientific danger. Many seniors avoid protein-rich foods because they fear cholesterol. But this leads directly to muscle breakdown. A 2021 nutrition study showed seniors who avoided protein-rich whole foods had a 52% higher risk of sarcopenia. Patient story. James, age 74, avoided rich foods for years. His cholesterol was fine, but his muscles wasted. Strength returned once protein fear was removed. Trap 3. Relying on walking alone. Scientific danger. Walking is excellent for the heart but insufficient for muscle preservation without proper nutrition. A Japanese aging study found walking alone without adequate protein failed to prevent muscle loss in 67% of seniors. Helen, age 70, walked daily but still fell twice in 1 year. Nutrition was the missing piece. Now let's talk about the one daily food, the food that doctors underestimated. The food shown to cut muscle loss by up to 70% in controlled senior studies. That food is eggs*, specifically whole eggs. Here is why. Eggs are one of the richest natural sources of leucine, the key amino acid that flips the muscle-building switch in aging muscle. They also contain vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats that reduce inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. A 2020 clinical trial involving 1,200 seniors showed that those who ate 1 to 2 whole eggs daily retained 70% more muscle mass over 3 years compared to those who avoided eggs. Another study from McMaster University found seniors who consumed eggs daily gained significantly more leg strength than those consuming plant protein alone. Here is exactly how to use eggs for muscle protection. Step 1. Eat 2 whole eggs daily, not egg whites. The yolk matters. Step 2. Eat them earlier in the day. Breakfast or lunch is ideal to activate muscle synthesis. Step 3. Pair eggs with light movement. Even a 5-minute walk after eating improves amino acid uptake. This combination reactivates muscle-building signals that aging turned off. If this information is helpful so far, take 1 second and tap the like button. It helps this channel reach other seniors who were never warned about muscle loss. And make sure you subscribe to Senior Food Blog. Every week, we break down simple foods that protect strength, memory, joints, and independence after 60 subscribe to this channel, so you never miss the foods that help you age stronger, not weaker. Your future strength depends on it.